In today's tutorial, we're learning how to make this easy and cool animation with Canva. Let's get started. We're starting from a blank canvas in video format. Now go to Elements and look for Outdoor Coffee Stall. Graphics. If you don't have Canva Pro, go to the hamburger menu and check the free option, so it only shows you free elements, making it easier to choose. I'll select this and put it over here. Go back to the Elements tab again and search for Coffee Shop. Okay, I'll select this one. I'll go back to the Elements tab. I'll choose this open sign as well. The search phrase is open sign for coffee shop. In the search bar, type sitting with coffee. There are many options here, but let's check the Animate box from the hamburger menu, so we can see what other options Canva gives us. Alright, let's choose this one to see what other options we have that would be suitable for our design. Let's also choose this guy with the tablet in his hand. Okay, I'll also select this sitting girl and eating cake. Let's see what else we have. Let's use a static element. Uncheck the Animate box. Friendly reminder: subscribe, like, and ring that bell. It really helps me out and you'll stay updated on all my new videos. In the search bar, look for coffee table. Go to Position and Layers. Place it between this man and this woman. Go to Elements and search for barista. Check the Animate box, and apparently, this is the only option that's also fortunately free. I'll place it on the booth. It looks like he's preparing an order. Go back to the Elements tab and search for coffee. Graphics. Check the animated box. Okay, I'm going to place this coffee cup on the table for this man. Elements. And here, search for city. I'll select this. Position. Send it below the other layers. We're going to select two more. I'll choose this and this one. Go to Position and send these two layers below too. In the search bar, type road. Send the layer to the lowest. Go back to Elements and type walking. Graphics. See all. You can choose whichever you like, it's completely up to you. Let's see what the magic recommendations are for us. I'll also select this running woman. I'm not sure why it has a watermark though. It's not a big deal. It'll be fine once it's downloaded. You know what? I'm going to delete this. And I'll replace it with this young woman with a skateboard. I'll pull over each one to the side. Ensure you keep a transparent section. Go to Position. Hold Shift and select the Buildings and Road layer. Go to Animate. Select Blur. Increase the speed. It's quite good. Go to Position. And except for the last two layers, select the coffee shops layer, their customers layer, and the signboard layer. Go to Animate. Select Baseline. Make sure it's on Enter, and increase the speed. Select the elements that we dragged to the side, and make its layer shorter. The plan is for them to come into the scene once all the elements are positioned. Animate. Create animation. Hold Shift and drag until it's completely off the screen. Movement style is steady. Select the other layer as well and reduce its duration. Head over to Animation and create an animation. Hold Shift and drag until it's completely off the screen. Movement style is steady. Increase the speed a bit. Let's play it. Enjoying the video? Hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload.